Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma Forestry Services for northwestern Roger Mills and southwestern Ellis counties. At 4:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 2 miles west of Durham, moving rapidly east-northeast at 3 to 5 miles an hour. A second wildfire is threatening the Crawford vicinity. Areas impacted, Durham and Crawford, and nearby areas of southern Ellis County be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire.